In this lesson, I'm going to be showing you how to display page margins in Canva. As you can see, I have a blank page here. Sometimes it's really hard to add, to display the margins here. One of the ways that you can find where the margins are, if you're going to add an element on the page here and you're moving it around, it'll show you where the margins are. So if I go right to the edge over here and then move it, now you can see the margins while I'm, dragging this around. This is the margin. What if you wanted to permanently display this? How can you do this? All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that the page is selected, and I'm going to go over to file, and I'm going to go over to view settings, and I'll select show margins. Okay, click on that. Now I have that permanent margin on here. I am going to be able to see it all the time. I don't have to kind of like move this around to discover where the margin is. So now if you're going to be doing this for printing, another quick tip here is going to be by also showing the print bleed, right? So if you add something outside of this, it has the ability, or it might bleed when you print this out. So that's just another option you have to set on here. Okay, now the margins are really helpful because they can always be there without you having to look for it. Okay, that is pretty much it for this lesson. I'll see you guys on the next one.